Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 46, and in order to create this exercise, we are using extruded boss, extruded cut, and chamfer. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select a new, select part, and apply OK. Here select right plane and go to sketch. Select the center rectangle and draw one center rectangle like that. This length is 100 mm and this length is 60. Now select here chamfer, it is fillet, and it is a 30 mm. Now select the circle and draw one circle from this point, and diameter of this circle is 20 mm. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss. Here select mid plane and it is 80 mm. Apply OK. Now select chamfer here and select this edge, and it is 20, and this one is a 30, and select this one. Now just reverse it. Okay, delete this edge face, we don't need this face. Now it is okay. Apply OK. Now here go to chamfer and select this one and select this one. 20 mm is same, but here is 45 degrees, so apply 45 degrees here. Now select this face and go to sketch. Here select center point rectangle and draw one rectangle like that. This distance is 60 mm and this one is a 40. And now select this point and select this origin and make vertical. Now go to features and select extruded cut, and here select through wall, apply OK. And now select this face and go to sketch, select circle and draw one circle here, and it is 18 mm. Apply OK. Go to features, select extruded cut, and here select through wall, apply OK. Now we need to apply appearance to it. Go to body and select this one, apply OK. And now it is our isometric view. Our exercise has been completed now. Please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.